You said where to go. No one else can make me feel this way. But only you can bring out all the best I can do. I've been waiting to turn the tide and make me feel real good inside. You push me up, but now I'm about to give up. You're by my side when I seem to mistake. And if you go, you know the tears are not but show. Your way is hard to tear me apart. It's suddenly the next start. It's your smile, your face, your little canvas. The sweet little lies that tear me, make me say, I'm with you through all the way. 'Cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you say. Let it know I got you with me. You push me up, but now I'm about to give up. You're by my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can help but show. Your weight is hard to tear it apart. It's gonna leave a message start. It's your smile, your face, your best canvas. The sweet little lies that tear me and make me stay. I'm with you till all the way. 'Cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you say. When I know about you with me. Yes, also may kaso about this. Ayan, baka po may mga request na po sila.
Ayan guys, ayan dahil malapit po matapos ang aming first annual
Yes.
session.
Anyway, mukhang nag-iisip pa lang din naman sila ng mga
Oo.
request at pwedeng katahin for our second and primetime set. Guys, also invite your friends. Ayan. Invite your friends na wala pa dito, syempre. Lalo na yung mga nasa fiestahan.
Uy, oo nga pala, fiesta na pala.
Happy fiesta sa mga taga-Libertad. Meron ba
Yes.
Libertad dito?
Meron ba?
Meron, saka naman, no? Santo Niño, no? Fiesta daw eh. So, makikinig sana kami ng ano.
Legit
Food.
na
Legit. Ayan, mga salad. No?
Ayan, mahubusin na tayo ng oras. Ay, kung wala naman sa ating second set na lang sila makijam.